I did it in practice. I want to see if I can line this knife up with this butter knife sticking in the bullseye right on top of it, or how close I can get to doing it. Go up 2 spins. Woo! Mercy! Woo! Man, that was close. Try it again. See if we can get it. Oh, I did it! I hit it! It just knocked it out. Oh! Oh, again! Woo!